Modernise your kitchen with the Tefal ActiFry Plus fryer, a convenient, smart and healthier way to fry. Tefal's patented hot air system allows you to cook evenly without the need for excess oil. By adding just 1 spoonful of any oil, including olive and rapeseed oil, you can cook up to 1.2 kilograms of your favourite healthy foods. Make crispy homemade chips easily, or cook from frozen without the need for any oil at all with this smart fryer. The stirring paddle moves your food around so that everything cooks evenly. Eliminates the need for you to shake or stir your food during cooking. Easy to clean, this fryer has a removable lid, pan and stirring paddle. Once everything is cooked, simply put everything in the dishwasher along with the spoon. The scratch-resistant pan is coated with durable ceramics so that any leftover food inside can be washed away without any hassle. Spend less time cleaning and more time doing the things you love. With easy-to-clean removable parts, useful stirring paddle and smart hot air system, this Tefal ActiFry Plus will modernise your kitchen and make frying healthier and easier.